Hi, Kinder friends. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about reading, writing, and math. If you're looking for any help on any other subject areas, pop over to Monday's video. So let's get started with reading. This week in reading, our story is called Tadpole Teasing. So get that book back out from your packets. If you can't find it, or if you would much rather listen to someone read the story to you, then you can go to our classroom website and listen to Mrs. Blatchley read the story to you. Go ahead and read our story again today, and then I want you to search for sight words. Look for words that you know, words you can read in a snap, and try to find those words on each page as you're reading the story today. Then we have a new list of letters, sounds, and words for you to practice. Remember, the more you practice these, the faster you're going to get and the better you're going to be at reading. So definitely keep practicing these, even if you just practice a couple of those words. Then we've got our ut word family this week. So we're going to be working on the word family ut. We're going to look for words that have the ut sound at the end. First, let's talk about our word family house. So here's our word family house. We put our chunk ut at the top of our house. And now let's think of some ut words. So the first one I'm thinking of is what you use a scissors to do. You use your scissors to cut. 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 I can cut my paper using my scissors. Cut is an ut word. Ooh, what about these? These are peanuts, or you could just say nut. Nut is an ut word. Ut. Nut. One more. Oh, yummy. This looks so good. A donut. That's another nut word, another ut word. Donut. Oh, nut, donut. Stretch that out and put it in your ut house. And I bet you can think of a whole lot more ut words you can put in your ut house. Then you've got your hop or clap it out game that you can choose to do. Remember, you only have to do one of these a day. So just pick one activity to do a day. Then we've got our read it, write it, draw it. Here's our worksheet. Our first word is cut. Cut. So I read the word. Now I'm going to write the word. Then I'm going to draw the word. I'll drop my scissors and my paper again to show the word cut. The next one is use it in a sentence. So here's our worksheet. We've got our word cut. Now I'm going to write a sentence using the word cut. I can cut my paper. The last one is make it fancy. So you're going to read your word cut, cut, and try to write the word 3 times using different colors. We're trying to make your letters look really fancy. So remember, this is our rhyming choice board. You only have to choose one thing to do each day. And there's also an optional song for you to follow along with. The next thing that you're going to do today is a new sight word. It's the word take. Take. We spell the word take T-A-K-E. T is a tall letter, A is a short letter, K is a tall letter, and E is a short letter. So it's tall, short, tall, short. So we're going to write the letters T-A-K-E, take, in the boxes, and then you're going to write the word take 3 times on the line. Then you're going to draw a picture of you using the word take in a sentence. So maybe you want to say something like, I'm going to take 1 piece of pizza for dinner. So think of something that a sentence you can use using the word take and draw a picture of it. Remember, there's also an optional song using our sight word take for you to follow along with. And there's also a video lesson using all of our sight words this week that should be up on our classroom website for you too. All right, let's talk about writing. This week we are writing our All About Me stories. Yesterday we talked a little bit about what an All About Me story is. Today you're going to create the title page for your All About Me book. So you're going to look for a page that looks like this in your packet. It says All About Me. And you're going to write your name on the line. Don't write Mrs. Blatchley. You write your name on the line. And then draw a picture of you. Make sure you color it in. We want to make sure we got a good picture of you on the cover of your story. Write your name at the top. Draw and color a picture of you. And there's also going to be a table of contents in your packet. This is what is normally in a story that's kind of like a nonfiction story or an informational story. This All About Me story is an informational story. It's teaching us about you. So you don't need to do anything on this page. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. If you want to, you can color in all those little pictures on this page if you're looking for something extra for you to do today. All right, so all you're doing today is finishing your title page of your All About Me story. Tomorrow we'll start on page 1, which is where I live. Then on Thursday, you're going to do page 2, my favorite foods. And on Friday, you're going to finish up with talking about what you celebrate. So we came up with all of our ideas yesterday, and now tomorrow we're going to get officially started writing our All About Me book. So now let's talk about math. In math today, we are in our math book, page 361 and 362. Here's what our page looks like first. It says, write how many more than 10. Draw circles to show each teen number. All right, so here's what you're going to do. You see the number at the beginning? Like the very first one, it says the number 11. So I filled in, or the computer, your math book, filled in 11 circles. And then you got to figure out how many, 10 plus how many more to get to that number. So let's do the second one together. We're making the number 12. So first I'm going to start by drawing 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and remember, keep your circles in order. Start from the beginning and work your way through. Don't just draw random circles. Go in order to make 12. Now, I need to know how many extras. My first group is a group of 10. How many extras do I have? I have 2. So I'm going to write the number 2 on the line. 12 equals 10 plus 2. Does that make sense? You're going to do the same thing for all the other numbers on this page. All right? So you're going to go all the way down to 19. So start at the top, work your way down, but make sure you're putting your circles in order. Then on the back, you're writing partners. So we've done this before, kinder friends. You're going to count all of the white triangles plus the purple triangles. And then for the number 6, you're going to do the white triangles plus the green triangles to show your partners. All right, kinder friends, that's it. Remember, don't stress, do what you can, take lots of breaks, and remember, kinder friends, you are smart. Happy Tuesday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.